Well, hello guys. So today it's Friday, our last day, nearly last day, and we came to Minimundus to see little sculptures from around the world. My favourite personally was the one in Dubai. Yeah, we're in a Mini Cooper in London right now, just driving around. What else are we going to do today?
Go back to the school, have lunch.
Oh no, we're going to a restaurant.
Yes, we're going to have lunch.
We're going to have lunch, and then we've got the open day evening at the HTL school.
That should be fun, because they have to impress us, so...
Got a lot to live up to TDA standards.
Yeah.
So yeah, yeah, that's it.
Cheers, guys.
Thank you.
Actually awesome.
So good.
It's awesome. Why is Ruby driving? Ruby, you're driving this caravan.
Help! I can't drive.
Whoa!
Fast
we
it
went
on
on that yesterday.
Fast it, we're
That
fast it
closes
out, guys. Oh, we're up to 4. Oh, this only has 4 gears.
Can you stop shifting gears?
What? Fast again. Second.
Oh, crashing to the minute. Oh.
And we're in 4th now.
I'm back down
Drifting, we're drifting. Oh. Picture. Ching ching.
If this ever goes on to me,
Swalla la la. Swalla la la. Swalla la la. Swalla la la. Calm down, Louis. Big bird, get out the way. Swalla la la.
I know.